Hi! Welcome to this course. My name is Tulsiram Pediboina, but you can call me Ram. I am very glad to see you inside this course. Through this video, I want to give you a brief overview of this course. In this first section, you will be introduced some basic concepts regarding App Store optimization. From the second section, I will show you how to use them in the real world. I will use my own app in this context to demonstrate those principles. Each section will have an assignment, and I highly encourage you to finish the assignment before moving to the next section. By the end of this course, you will yourself do App Store optimization on a dating app. All along this course, you will be introduced to numerous free tools that would help you throughout your career. If you want any help, I am just one click away in the discussion forums. I am sure you will love the content of this course. So let's get started.